Welcome to our video on AI-based gadgets. In this video, we will take a closer look at how AI is revolutionizing the technology industry and explore some of the top AI-based gadgets that are currently available in the market. We will discuss their features, benefits, and potential impact on our lives. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of AI-based gadgets. Artificial intelligence or AI is no longer a buzzword, it's a reality. AI is all around us, from Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles and robots. AI-based gadgets are becoming increasingly popular and are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with machines. These gadgets use machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more fun. Let's take a look at some of the top AI-based gadgets that are currently available in the market. Amazon Echo Dot. The Amazon Echo Dot is a smart speaker that uses Alexa, Amazon's voice assistant, to control your smart home devices, play music, and answer questions. With its compact design and affordable price, the Echo Dot has become one of the most popular AI-based gadgets in the market. Google Nest Hub Max. The Google Nest Hub Max is a smart display that uses Google Assistant to help you stay organized, entertained, and connected. With its built-in camera and speaker, you can make video calls, watch videos, and control your smart home devices with just your voice. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is a robotic vacuum cleaner that uses AI to map your home and clean it efficiently. With its self-emptying bin and smart mapping technology, the Roomba i7 Plus is one of the most advanced and efficient robotic vacuums in the market. Samsung SmartThings. Samsung SmartThings is a home automation hub that uses AI to connect and control all your smart home devices. With its intuitive app and advanced automation features, you can create custom scenes and routines that suit your lifestyle and make your home smarter and more efficient. Apple Watch Series 6. The Apple Watch Series 6 is a smartwatch that uses AI to track your fitness, monitor your heart rate, and detect falls. With its advanced health features and cellular connectivity, the Apple Watch Series 6 is the ultimate health and fitness companion. And there you have it, some of the top AI-based gadgets that are currently available in the market. These gadgets are just a glimpse of what the future of technology